often, it is important for you to pay attention while the crew take you through our safety briefing this morning. After the safety briefing, the cabin lights will be dimmed to find a reading light switch in the overhead panel. We're going to give you an important safety briefing, so keep a sharp eye on the cabin crew or the screen in front of you, and together we'll make sure that your journey is a safe one.
Today you're flying on a Qantas Boeing 737-800.
Before we take off, make sure all your cabin baggage is stowed in the overhead locker or under the seat in front of you.
Electronic devices switched to flight mode can remain on for your entire flight, including takeoff and landing. If flight mode is not available, then your device needs to be switched off.
Fasten your seatbelt by inserting the clasp into the button.